Number 2 is Canon GX6021 All-in-One Supertank Printer. In today's world of vibrant creativity, where imagination knows no bounds, the Canon GX6021 All-in-One Wireless Supertank Printer emerges as a true champion, standing tall as the best printer for waterslide printing. This mighty machine boasts many features, all packed within a sleek and compact design, ensuring it seamlessly fits into any creative space. With its easy Wi-Fi setup, bidding farewell to tangled wires and cumbersome connections is a breeze. Within minutes, you can effortlessly connect to Wi-Fi without needing a computer, unleashing the full potential of wireless printing freedom. The GX6021's ingenious keyed nozzle design makes filling up your ink tanks joyous. Say goodbye to color confusion, as each ink bottle only fits and fills the correct color tank, ensuring precision and convenience in every drop. Setting up this powerhouse is a walk in the park, thanks to its streamlined and user-friendly setup process. The GX6021 takes efficiency to the next level with its 250-sheet bottom cassette, allowing you to load abundant plain paper, no more constant refilling, as this printer eagerly handles your printing demands quickly and gracefully. Get the Canon GX6021 today by clicking on the link provided in the description box and enjoy hassle-free printing for years to come.